Welcome back at the business model lecture, and now let's talk about the business model canvas do's and don'ts. What are we gonna doing here? We are talking about how to avoid mistakes by working with the business model canvas, and you should know how after this session how you can achieve the best results with the business model canvas. First of all, what can you expect from the business model canvas? Well, it gives you a comprehensive view on your business model. It gives you all the details of your business model on one page. But what it doesn't give to you is the importance of certain facts of your business model. And this is something you should know. Everything is quite flat in this business model canvas. And you have to find out which are the key drivers for your business, which are the most important things for your business, and which mechanics do you have to obey most, because this is something that's very important. You will find out that you will get a lot of information in the business model canvas, and if you give it all the same focus, you will never do successfully. So, a business model canvas is only as good as the facts you fill in. Therefore, let's give you some do's and don'ts that you should obey when you work with the business model canvas. The first thing is, I was mentioning it before, but I'm mentioning it again, always start with the customer and go very, very deep with your customers. Don't say, my customers are women with the age of 40 and more. Go very deep, give them names, try to find out what they're really doing, try to find out what they're really wanting, and try to find out what is really important to them regarding your service, solution, or product. If you have got more than one customer, plan each customer group separately. This is really important. So don't say, I've got 3 customer group and they all got the same value proposition and they all got the same channels. This is wrong for sure. If you work with the business model canvas, it is really good to work with stickers, with post-it stickers, and give different customer groups different colors and give the business model facts of these customer groups different colors too. So you will be able to decide between the different customer groups and the different value propositions and channels, which is really, really important. And you can, of course, if you want to change something, take away a sticker and replace it with another sticker, which is very helpful. When it comes to your service or product, don't concentrate on features, concentrate on values you give to your customer groups. And therefore it's so important to know your customer groups very well, because only then you know what their needs and what their pains and gains really are. And only if you know this, you can give the right values to them. And values are doing things better, cheaper, less noisy, or whatever, and it's not having something to steer here or having something to pull there. So talk about values, not about features. You have 9 fields, and if you fill in the business model canvas, try to be precise. Try to use as less terms as possible, because if you imagine that you've got these 9 fields and you put only 3 or 4 information in every field, you have 30 to 40 informations. This makes it very complicated to realize what a mechanic of somebody is. So be precise. It's better to have 2 informations which are really precise than having 10 informations in one field which are confusing after a certain time. And when you watch your business model canvas, for example, after 10 days, again, you should realize at a glance what you meant when you were doing it. Then it was done right. Very important with working with business model canvases is being honest. Don't write in everything that's possible. Write in the things you can do. Write in the things that are achievable for you. We see so many business model canvases where, sorry for the word, they look like bullshit bingo. They look like all the expressions people heard in the startup scenes, and they write it then down in the business model canvas. But this is not the way you do it successfully. Write down what's important to you, what's achievable for you, and you will have a good step forward with it. Never stop adapting your business model canvas. The business model canvas is not a single action you're doing. This is nothing you're doing at the start of your business, then you fill it out and this is it. The business model canvas is helping you to picture the process of your business modeling. And if you save all the versions, which I would suggest you because it's really nice, if you save all the versions, you see how your business model developed over the time, which is a very nice thing to see after 1 or 1.5 years. And it's very nice if you want to give something back to the community, for example, and want to tell people how your business evolved. Because usually you don't remember it anymore because there are so many things. But if you have your business model canvas again, and you can pull out what you've thought 1 year ago, this is really nice. Okay, what are the learnings? The business model canvas is a good method to get an overview, and to go deeper, you need other tools. And one of those tools I'm going to present to you now. It's the value proposition canvas, and I'm looking forward to see you at the next lesson.